Thank you for coming today. We will be doing our teaching module, and I will be focused on Cite Machine. Cite Machine is an aspect, a method of citing your work. So therefore, if you wanted to cite a newspaper article, an article, scholarly article, anything, videos, newspaper, whatever it is, you may do it. And so therefore, first of all, we will go to Cite Machine. Cite Machine. And we will do APA today. However, as you can tell, there is APA, MLA, Chicago, and there are very many other specific styles that you may want to do. There's a great long list that you are, if you're required to use a different method, there is a list which you can use. And as well as you may cite books, magazines, newspaper, websites, journals, films, and many others. As you can see, there's a great long list here, such as podcasts, cartoons, dictionary entries, emails, court cases, digital files, advertisements, magazines, patents, softwares, mailing lists, editorials, whatever it is, it's here. And if it's not, you may actually create your own citation manually, and therefore that way you may be able to still cite whatever is required to be cited. So first of all, we will go ahead and go to Google Scholar. So then we will search technology and education. As many of these are journals, we will look for a book, and here's a book, technology and education. So we will go back after we copied just the title of it. That's all we will required. All right, so then as you can see, this one, it showed only one, so as it's therefore it was very precise. Sometimes they will show various ones, so you just gotta double check of the author and the date. So we will check on that, select, these are what they found. And as you can see here, this is the in-print citation, and it will be done in the 6th generation citation as well. The General American Psychological Association citations, APA, 6th edition. And there's also ebook and online databases. The author's name is there. We're citing the entire book. So we'll go ahead and create the citation. And due to it being a free application, there is some advertisement sometimes. However, it's not very long video, so not a big issue. And as you can tell here, this is the citation we just completed. And in the case, so this is where you can put, this is what you can highlight. Actually, you can press here, copy, and it will copy the exact citation, and you can go ahead and put it in your reference list. And however, if it's an in-text citation, you can press in-text citation and even put the page number, let's say 122, and it will show up 122 means 1998. So therefore it will provide you the exact citation as is required. However, if we're going to create, let's say, create another citation, and this time we will look for New York Times. So that way we can see a newspaper article. And let's say we will looking at this article here. All right, so the coronavirus live updates, and then we will go to the URL. We'll copy this, go back to Cite Machine, and we'll click on websites. Remain at APA. We'll put the URL in here, and as you can see, coronavirus lab updates, New Jersey, New Orleans, among new US. Everything that's required is in there. We'll select. We cannot find the publisher, so we can manually put this in there. So therefore we will go back to the, okay, unfortunately it will not let us see the article once again. Let's just double check. It's actually by Maria Carriasquero, so therefore we will put here Maria Carillo. And at the same time, we will need to put the date of today. So the 5th of April 2020. That's the date of access. So therefore, we can inform the who's looking at our citation when we were able to view it, due to the fact that if in case the article gets edited or changed or removed, the person is able to see that we were able to retrieve this citation on this exact date. So there it is. As I said earlier, all you need to do is copy it and place it into your citation. And if it's in text, you just type in text, and it will provide you an in-text citation as well. And you may do this with books, with anything that you may require, and magazines, films, anything that you really need to cite. Therefore, that way you can avoid any sort of issues with plagiarism and so on. Well, thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have learned how to use Cite Machine. Thank you. Bye-bye.